Hey girls, we're the LipChicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter, and today we're gonna talk about blush scents.
We have lots of colors here we want to share them with you guys.
Yes. So what blush scents is it's liquid to powder blush. So the thing that I love the most about it is that it's waterproof, smudge proof. It's gonna stay all day. When I get all hot and sweaty in the summer, it still stays, which I love.
Yeah.
Because I used to wear powder blush, and by the end of the day, I'd be like, where's my blush?
And if you get sweaty at all, it just starts to come off.
Right? But not with this. This stays. And there's so many beautiful colors. So Susan's got them all. We swatched them all. They're all in her arm. So we can see all these beautiful colors. Aren't they pretty? And look at all these. Seven blush scents colors.
7 different colors. And you guys, you
Yes.
can wear these alone, or you can even kind of mix them together. So let's go through
Yeah,
them.
to make new colors. All right, so the first one, this one right here, is our Pouty Pink. And I love Pouty Pink. It's a really light pink, so it's nothing dark. It's very light, pretty. It's great to wear it by itself, or you can mix with it.
Oh,
you
yeah,
know?
yeah.
Which I know Susan's done, and she loves it.
I love to mix. Okay, so then next going down, we have Toasted Rose.
My favorite.
This is a really pretty mauve blush.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love that it just has the perfect amount of color, and it looks really, really pretty. All right, so the next one is...
The next one's Chocolate Cherry. So the Chocolate Cherry and the Toasted Rose are kind of like sisters. I would say that this Toasted Rose up here has a little bit more rose in it. And then the Chocolate Cherry is just a little bit more brown. So both of them are very, very pretty. Yeah.
I love it. And the next one is, I think I'm holding that one, right? Or you have it?
I've got this one. This one's Terracotta. So Terracotta is a little warmer, so it's gonna give some life to your face for sure.
Yes, I love it. Life to your face. We want some life.
Life to your face.
I love it. That's awesome. All right, the next one is, I got that one. Okay, so Pinkberry. I love Pinkberry. So this is great because it's, well, a nice pop of color.
I mean, it's pink.
Right? But it's also great because you can mix it and make it even lighter if you wanted. So you can have that pop of color, but if you wanted to mix it with like a pouty pink, you can make it a little bit lighter, which is great too. So customize your color, which is fun. And then we have, I have that one too. Let's see. This one is Cherry. So it's a little bit more red, like a red pink, really fun and pretty, nice pop of color. And you can always, make it lighter also by mixing.
Yes, if you have like beautiful brown skin, then the cherry would be a good choice. And then cherry is also a really great tool because like we said, we mix them. So mixing it with a little bit of Pouty Pink, you can get like the perfect tone for your skin.
I love it. Awesome. And the last one is?
This is our bronze. So you can use this as a blush and you can also use it to get, a little bit of a tan.
Oh yeah, I could totally see like even maybe for contouring. That'd be really good.
Yeah.
Right?
Perfect.
Or mix it with any of these colors, so all of these can be mixed to make, custom colors for your blush. So which one do you want to put on today?
Okay, so I actually have like 4 go-tos. Do you want to hear them?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so, all right. I would say probably the one that I've been wearing the most lately is the Terracotta.
I love it.
It's warmer and it gives more life to my face. But I have a special place in my heart for the Toasted Rose. Okay,
Toasted
it's
Rose
just
is beautiful.
pretty. It's very beautiful, mauve rose. And then when I don't want as much rose, I like to go to its sister, Chocolate Cherry.
Nice.
But this Pouty Pink and some of that Pinkberry mixed in with it, that's got to be my favorite blush combo.
I'll have to try that. I have not tried that yet, so I'm excited. So my go-to, I go back and forth between either the Toasted Rose or the Terracotta. I just love those. I feel like they give like the perfect amount of color, and I really like it. But a few times I have done the Pouty Pink, and I've really liked that just for on those days that I don't want anything like too crazy. I just want to be very natural. It looks very natural with just a little bit of pink, and I'll do like a lip gloss and just some mascara and I'm out the door. So they're all fun to do, but I think today I'm just going to do some Toasted Rose. Which one are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna do the Terracotta.
Terracotta. I got it. So one thing is, since it is liquid to powder and it is waterproof and smudge proof, you want to start with a little bit and not put too much. It's always better to add to get the color that you really want than to put too much where you're like, you know, trying to hide it.
And you're like, oh my gosh, let's get some more foundation to hide this mistake.
Right? Yeah. So just a little bit. I like to just take a little bit out and just really like dab it. Like you don't need a lot, which is nice.
I go straight on the skin.
Either way.
And I like to start with just a little bit, just like you said. Sometimes I add.
There we go. And blush placement is also really important. So notice how Susan's putting it right there, just because it is liquid to powder, it's not powder. You want to start there and then blend. So if you were to put it right here, it might be like a clown a little bit.
You don't want to look like a clown.
You know.
No, nobody wants that.
So blush placement is definitely important.
When you put it on the sides right here, that's going to be the part that is the darkest. So when people look at you, they're going to look to the sides of your face, and it's going to give you a, you know, a prettier look. You want that to be the focus. Oh, did I get you with my brush?
So I love it. I absolutely love it. So it's like the only blush that I've ever tried and worn that I'm like, oh, by the time I'm taking my makeup off at 11, 12 o'clock at night, like it's still on, you know? I feel like, all right, I'm getting my money's worth, right? Like not like, where's my blush? Because I hate that.
And a little bit goes a long way.
Oh yes, a little bit definitely goes a long way. You don't need a lot unless you just really like blush, but you know, a little bit.
Or if you do want to look like a clown.
You know, that's okay too. Right?
Yes.
So
equal opportunity blush.
Definitely. So to push around, I like to, you know.
And I'm done.
Right? Totally.
You're like,
I'm
like gonna put it all over.
You know, I gotta blend it all.
I
love it though. It's so fun. So let us know what you think. And what color do you think you would be wearing? Like what blush? Let us know, girls, in the comments. And be sure to subscribe and find us on Facebook.
Oh yes, we'd love to have you over there.
All right,
Thanks
girls.
for watching. Bye.